You will never struggle making money online after you watch this video. Hi, it's Michelle, and I'm gonna give you online business tips to help you create a six-figure income from home. So how to avoid this struggle is you need to create an email list. You know, you spend time creating content and posting it on social media platforms or creating a blog or even going to websites and posting ads. But if you are not generating an email list, you guys don't have a business that has stability to it. Because once you create an email list and you know the numbers of your email list, you have a business that is predictable, which means you know how many people need to be in your email list before you start generating sales. So for example, to have a online business where you don't struggle, keep on creating that content, but have it go to a page where people can get into your email automations. So for example, here is mine right here. And once they opt in, they go through a sequence of emails. But I'll share with you guys, just in the last 30 days, you can see here, I've generated 494 leads. This is on one of my social media platforms, because I monitor them. So now what happens after the lead comes in? And this is the power of email automation. So they get on my email list and they start receiving emails. I'll see the open rate and the click rate. I watch them, so I know how many people are going through these emails here. So you guys, what's great is not only does this help you get more customers, it's a rejection-free business, because you don't know if somebody's gonna go through these and decide it's not for them and they're just going to unsubscribe. Some people are gonna go through them and be like, yeah, this is for me. How do I get started? On average, it's about 6 to 7 emails somebody needs to see from me after they go to this page before they decide to do business. Here's one of the other pages that they get as well that shows them exactly what they need to do to create an income online and how they can get started. And then they can also get to my Learn a 300 a day blueprint. But you guys, all of that is going on 24/7 while I'm doing what I love, while I'm spending time with my family, while I'm doing the things I love, doing my hobbies. So I love it because it's a business on autopilot, but it truly gives you that security of, you know, when you get a certain amount of leads in, you can pretty much count on like X amount of leads will come in, and you know when you'll get a sale because you can track the numbers, and that's what I love. So if you want to stop struggling in an online business, you need to set up email automations, not just an email. I see so many people out there that take people to a page like this, but then they only send them one email and they send them immediately to their purchase page. Here's how I look at that. Ladies, let's go back to the day if we'd go to a bar, right? If we were at a bar and this guy came up to us and bought us a drink and then immediately said he wants to take us home, we would be like, dude, get away from me. That's what you're doing when you're sending people to this page and then immediately to your order page. But how would we feel if we were out somewhere and somebody came up to us and started talking to us and started building that relationship with us and act like they truly cared about us, and they built that know, like, and trust factor? Then they might ask us on a date. We would probably be more interested in going on a date. That's exactly crazy way to describe it, but I think we could all understand. But that's exactly what happens with these email automations. We warm them up to see if we're a good fit, and we build that know, like, and trust factor. And like I said, about 6 or 7 emails in, they usually decide, yeah, I want to do business with her. And that's what will happen. But here's the great part. Like, let's just look at this, you guys. Right now, 498 people have gone through the first one. But look at the people in these email automations right now. You see that? 11, 33, 48, 18, 15. Let's go to the next page and see. 8, 21, 2, 4, 7, 8, 12, 25. So all these different people are getting all these different messages from me right now while I'm talking to you. And when I get done doing this video, I'm gonna go spend time with my grandkids and do what I love while these automations are working for me. So if you want to know how to get automations like this working for you, just go down in my description and I actually, I'll give you my email automations absolutely for free. I set them up for you. I help you with them. So if you would like to work with me and create an income from home, I'm actually teaching people how to create a six-figure income. $300 a day online is $109,000 a year. So if $109,000 a year would make a difference in your life over the next year, let's you and I chat. Let's see if we're a good fit together. And if we are, great. I'll send you my automations and we will get a system like this out there making a difference for you and your family.